Hello friends, I recently updated my Nuki 3.0 Pro for this 4.0 Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily update the Nuki if you also have the keypad and a door sensor. Welcome to this new video. In the Nuki application we go to the settings in the upper left corner, we go to the functions in general of the Smart Lock, and all the way down we can reset. So it's proposed to make a backup, you can do so, but know that you cannot use this backup on older smart locks. Then we have to make a Bluetooth connection with the smart lock, and we do so by pressing the button of the smart lock. And when the Bluetooth connection is made, it warns you again, and then you can reset the smart lock completely. Now is the moment that you can take your new smart lock out of the box. Remove the battery protection. And we go to the Nuki application again to add a new device. And here the wizard is really straightforward. You hold the circle button again and it sets up a new Bluetooth connection with the smart lock. And now it is successfully added. It will install a new firmware. Now we give the smart lock a name. So here I put it at the back door. We have to choose what kind of handle this door has. Set a PIN code for the application to access the configuration options. And now we start the calibration. To finish, we choose that it is for a private home, and there we have the wizard with all the next steps. So first we connect it with Wi-Fi. When that is done, the next step is to connect it to the keypad. We hold the triangle button to connect the keypad to the smart lock. And there you go, we can choose our PIN code, set the fingerprint again. And now the keypad is connected. Now we follow similar steps for the door sensor. We have to remove it from the door first, hold the button, and it connects with the smart lock. Now we put it back on the door and start the calibration as well. Choose if you want to lock all the actions, and there you go, it is completely connected with the smart lock. We can also activate Matter, as this 4.0 Pro has Matter. Therefore we scan the code for HomeKit and it will be added to the Home application of Apple. So here again we give it the same name. And the setup is completely done. The other steps I will do later on, so we exit the menu for now. And simply by sliding the smart lock you can choose the position in the home screen. So you saw, it is really easy to upgrade to the newer smart lock even if you can't retrieve the data. The only thing you have to do is reset your codes, but in a normal household those are only a few people. I hope this little video helped you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share the video, drop a comment, and I see you in the very next video. Bye bye.